How to fix some apps need to be uninstalled when updating Windows 10. FYI, when upgrading your Windows 10, you may receive an error message which says some apps need to be uninstalled. You need to uninstall a program in order to continue, or we couldn't uninstall these apps. You'll need to remove these apps yourself, and then select refresh. These programs need to be uninstalled because they aren't compatible with the upgrade. Possible solution 1, check if Microsoft Office Starter 2010 is still listed in this PC local disk, see program data. If yes, remove that Office product with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Note, the Office 10 folder might be remained. If yes, delete that folder manually. Possible solution 2, download and run the program install and uninstall troubleshooter at http://aka.ms/program_install_and_uninstall as admin. Possible solution 3, 1. Step 1, disable your third-party antivirus software, if any. Note, antivirus software can help protect your computer against viruses and other security threats. In most cases, you shouldn't disable your antivirus software. If you have to temporarily disable it to install other software, you should re-enable it as soon as you're done. If you're connected to the internet or a network while your antivirus software is disabled, your computer is vulnerable to attacks. If the issue still persists, remove your third-party antivirus software with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide. Step 2, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Solution 4, the hidden folder $$Windows.BT/. Then, go to sources/Panther/subfolder. Sort files by date. Find file named some symbols_appraiser_human readable.xml. Open it in Notepad. This is setup log in XML format. Search the string, property name equals DT_any_FMC_ blocking application value equals true. This string is located in property list decision maker XML section. Look some strings up, there should be XML value of the asset XML property. In property list type inventory section you can find the program path, lowercase long path XML attribute. Remove the troublesome program, S, with the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and run setup, Windows updates, again. Repeat these steps, for all founded strings with blocking application equals true value. Restart your computer. Install updates. You may also find and manually remove other incompatible programs, https://goo.gl/7s668s. Other voices on the web. One. Perform the Windows update in clean boot state. 2. Clean install Windows 10, download the original Windows 10 ISO file, mount the ISO file and start setup and upgrade later. Visit https://goo.gl/hjkdrm. 4. Run wsreset.exe. Open store then downloads and updates. Repair all apps that are marked need repair. 5. Download and unzip the app rps.zip. File from https://aka.ms/apprps.